Test. All right. Live has started. Welcome to day 2 of our Blender Godot's game development process. So this is where we left off yesterday. Give me one sec. Do you guys think music would be good for the streams or not? Simple question. I'm not sure people are in the chat yet. Give me 1 second. Need to close down few files. Okay, looks good. I need to install Chatterino. Also need to fix my Twitch alerts, which is literally nothing right now. Okay. Let's see. All right. So yesterday we figured out our character movements, camera preview, and today we're going to shift the camera to 45 degrees so it looks actually isometric and don't have to rotate the world and every single asset 45 degrees. I just have to do it once and fix the code to make my character go diagonally. But it's not gonna. Yeah, it does matter. It does matter. Give me 1 second. I need to figure this out. So I'm going to shift that to 45 degrees and figure out control movements to rotate my character 45. Maybe, wait. Oh, also I need my mouse pointer. That's next step we need to do. The mouse pointer to follow. Yeah, hold on. The mouse pointer to follow where my character is looking at. So to do that, in the front of the character, in the minus y axis, minus z axis, I need to add a small sphere or a face or something. So in my character mesh itself, I'm gonna add another mesh instance, 3D, okay, and change that into a small sphere, then push it out. So we have a small Among Us character. Among Us. Wait, what are you doing? Why is scaling weird? Hold on. Okay, so no, I need all three. How do I pick all three? Scale proportionally with all three. Hello? I can only select two. Okay, now let's just change the size here. Scale 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, and 0.5. There we go. Small face, no, 0.5 is too small. Let's 0.7, 0.7, 0.7. So that's basically indicating our front of the character. That's all. It's like showing, okay, this is the front. So just need to quickly give it a different material, new standard material, and let's see, albedo, and give it a different color. Let's just make a red color. It's inverse Among Us. Okay. Now let's That's fine. That's fine. Let's give color to our hat also. Material, quick load. Oh wait, so I can save this material, right? Wait, which I made here. Uh, Material, save, new sphere mesh trace file. If I save this right now, let's see. Okay, if I save this, can I load the same material onto my hat? Material, quick load. Material, load. Copy text. No, it doesn't work. So basically this file, new sphere mesh, sphere mesh. No, that didn't save as a material. That's saved as a full instance. I need to save it as a material. So material here. I just save this. So if I save this, parent resource not loaded, can't save. Okay, wait. Save as. Okay, now this one saves as material file. Let's save it as a material file and save. Okay, so if I open my hat, this one, and let's say I want that same material to be added onto this, I can just quick load that material. Okay, there you go. Perfect. Looks great. But how did this got that same material as well? I think, yeah, I think the parent just inherited everything. Okay, so now you know there's a small indicator to show the face of the character. So now we know where the character is looking at. So now what we need to do is when we play the game, we need our character to look onto the mouse. But before that, let's fix this camera angle, camera 3D to camera target, camera controller to rotate in 45 degrees. Hey Dev, what's up? Hello, you started the live in the most worst time. What happened? For real. Hi Balaji. Let's rotate it on the y-axis 45 degrees. The camera controller rotates, not anything else. But my character is still looking up. Wait, this should work. The camera target is not being rotated only 45 degrees to look downwards. The camera controller is rotated. I'm very busy right now. I can't be here. I got to go. All right, no problem. Maybe after 1 hour. I'll be here. I'll be here after 1 hour. And how are you doing, Balaji? How was your weekend? Did you go somewhere? Or just sitting in your hostel? All right. That should do. Now, what is this? Okay, that is the entire node 3D. Okay. All right, now if I save and play, the camera will be looking like this. Okay, my character is always going to face in that direction. But now, okay, now let's go to our character controller. Let's figure this out. Our input. So move left, right, up, down. That is WASD. This should be in process delta, of course. Get gravity. Jump. That is only for jump. Get the input direction and handle the movement acceleration. Okay, now velocity x. That means only x direction. But I want it to move in. Or maybe what if I change the characters? Is the Peanut doing well? Hey, Peanut got a revamp. Peanut got a face. Just make sure which direction it is moving, and it's red hat right now. That's all. Still figuring out the code. Damn. Slowly it will evolve into a potato from a peanut. Okay, so what if when in moving x-axis, I want the character to rotate as well, right? Raining out here. I was bored in my PG until you started the live. Aha! It's raining. Not here though. Maybe it is. I didn't go out for a bit. Okay, so here's the problem, right? Yeah, yes. Of course, that's what's gonna happen. Yeah, velocity x, that means velocity y is jump, velocity x is moving in the x direction, direction x speed. Velocity x move toward velocity x 0 speed. This is basically going back and forth, right? Thinking. Okay, so let me quickly Google this, how to make the thing follow my mouse. Hmm. Okay, so I want to convert my 2D mouse position into a ray from the camera. No. That is for FPS or something. Okay, so first I need to get my mouse position in vector 2. That means the position of the mouse. Create a ray from the camera through mouse. Okay, this is getting a little bit complicated. I'm still figuring it out. So I need my mouse, get my mouse value, my mouse position. So if I copy paste this, it might not work. Let me see. So in character body 3D, I need to after all this, let's add it in the end. In character body 3D, let's add in process delta. Is there anything called underscore rotate underscore? No, is that a signal? I guess it's a signal. Let me see if it's a signal. Node. Ooh. No, it's not a no. It's not a signal on character body 3D. Okay, so I'm just gonna YouTube it real quick. Give me 1 second. Google has no precise answer. Hmm. Character pointing towards mouse. Godot 3D. Okay, so we need to recast from the screen. Look at mouse in 3D. All right, here we
Hello
go.
everyone, it's Noe here and welcome to this video.
So I just need to quickly see what the code is.
In a cube, something like this. Now let's take a closer look at the camera. And the clicked position in 3D is what we were looking for.
I have a player scene or a mech. Looks up a few variables.
Okay.
In your player
This is a really, really fucking old tutorial.
script,
But it should work.
To set up a few
I think it's Godot 3 point something. Okay, this is wait. This is an old tutorial. It probably won't work. I want basically the character to look towards me, but in 3D, not in 2D. 2D it's easy. 3D, I'm trying to figure it out. I mean, click to move is also what we need something. Click to move is also good. YouTube, of course, man. Multiverse of madness. Right, I need to figure out things, so I need to YouTube, chat GPT, YouTube, Google, whatever gets in handy. Okay, I'm just quickly gonna. Okay. That is also not what I want. Let's see this old tutorial itself. Okay, give me 1 second.
In your player script, you want to set up a few variables.
Okay, let's go to the player script. This one.
So I have a onReady variable which.
Okay, let's make some variables right here. Variable. What? Camera equal to $sign. We need to get our camera 3D. camera 3D. Okay. Already, why is already not working? Okay, let's just ignore that for now. Let's see if it works. Okay, variable camera equal to camera 3D. It still doesn't work. So turn on the scene tree before ready is called. Use the at. Oh wait. At on ready. Yes, at on ready. There we go. They are telling me that errors. Even Godot is telling me what the error is. It's kind of easy to find out.
Gets essentially the camera node. So I have a reference for later. Then I have a variable called ray origin, which will be a vector free.
Origin
Another which is ray end, which is also vector free.
Then
next, in the physics process function.
Ray end. Okay. Or ray end equal to vector 3. Oh, there you go.
Next, in the physics process function, we want to define a new variable called space state.
In the physics process delta, we need to add a variable called space state equal to get world 3D. No, wait, why is 3D there? Get world. Function get world not found in base, or did you mean it is get world 3D? I guess it is get world 3D then. World 3D dot get dot express state. There we go.
And we set it to get world.direct.
So I need to note down things because if I will forget later on what it does. So it just gets the current physics state. Okay.
Space.
Now we need to get the mouse pointer. Get mouse position. Mouse position in the viewport. Okay, that means we need to make a variable called mouse underscore position and get viewport, right? Get viewport. Inside the viewport, get the mouse position. Okay. So now we have two variables. No, we made 5 variables. One is the camera 3D, which we have our character for the thing which we are following the character. Then the ray origin and the ray end both are vector 3s, so it can figure out the position x, y, and z. Then we made a space state where you get the direct space state of the world 3D itself. Then mouse position. Okay, looks good. Looks good. Okay, what's next? Now we need to, well, we didn't make the ray, right? Did we make the, Raycast. Wait, hold on. No, we didn't. Okay, we don't need to. Okay, we don't need to. Okay, now what we need to do after we get the mouse position, we set the ray origin equal to the mouse position. Ray origin will be the no. It will be the camera projecting it into the mouse position. So camera projects local ray or ray origin, right? Ray origin. Rocket ray origin onto the mouse position, and mouse position is the get mouse position. All right, got it. After that, so this will be basically setting the ray origin points. Okay, now the ray end is there. So ray end equal to ray origin ray end. Ray origin is the place where it starts from the camera to the mouse position. So ray origin, ray end is ray. I don't know. I'm just trying to figure it out. Ray origin plus the same thing, right? So I'm adding. It's basically multiplying it by 2. No, not even multiplying it by 2. Camera dot project ray origin. Ray end is not an option. Ray normal. Oh, ray normal. There we go. Ray normal mouse position. Then I don't know. The code says times 2000. I'm not sure what that is. Set the ray end position. Okay. Setting ray end position. All right. Now next line. Let's see. Did we make a variable called? No, we didn't make another variable. So we'll just make a new variable called intersection. So it's basically the point where the mouse meets the ground, I guess. So space state intersect ray physics ray parameters equal to physics ray query parameters 3D. So ray origin comma ray end. What's happening? Too many arguments for intersect ray. Call expected at most 1 but received 2. Intersect ray. Wait 1 sec. Okay, argument for intersection. Var query physics ray query parameter 3D ray origin ray end. In Godot 4, it is necessary to construct the query to call as argument for the intersection variable. Query equal to physics ray query parameters 3D dot create ray origin ray end. For variable intersection equal to space state intersect ray query. Otherwise, it will not work. Wait. Okay, this is getting confused little bit, but let's see. If we have, this is where the query is creating a problem. So if I take this, the origin ray end, variable intersection space state intersect ray. Wait. Physics ray query parameter 3D create ray origin ray end. I have no idea what it does. Variable intersection spaces. Oh, wait. Variable query equal to physics ray parameter. Take this. Okay. Variable query is physics ray query parameter to 3D create ray origin and ray end. Okay. Then variable intersection, let's keep it I, small letter. Intersection equal to space state. Wait. Do I need that? I don't think I need. Variable intersection. We need that. Then maybe in the same line itself. No, okay. Variable intersections equal to space state intersect ray of query. Now let me see what. Run one line at a time. Now let me see what this thing is here. Identified ray origin not declared in current scope. Ray origin. Not which line? 22. Okay, ray. I think ray origin spelling is wrong. Okay, ray origin. Oh shit. Ray origin and ray end. There we go. That is fixed. What is wrong here now? Identified space state not declared in the. Okay, space state. I think spelling is wrong again. Space underscore state. There we go. That should fix the issue. So you know what one. Oh wait, run one. So you know what changes. Yeah, no, it's fixed. I've kind of fixed it, but let's see if this runs. Hey, Dagim, what's up? How you doing? So now this is fixed. Now next, what do I need to do is do some if else to check if something happens, right? You need to fix one thing at a time. Things keep breaking. And the GD script is for my first time using GD script. So yeah. So okay, let's if not, oh wait, what the fuck is that? Okay, if not, intersection is what we created for space state intersect ray, and the query is in that. So if not intersection dot empty. Oh, it is empty. No, wait. Did they change it to is empty? Empty? Okay, so it's a function called isEmpty now. So I'm trying to make my character look towards my mouse using a ray which is projecting from my camera to the mouse position. Kind of. Let's see if it works. So wait, I need to mark things out. So this is basically telling me the ray is been hit. The ray is hit. So that's the ray origin, end position. Ray is the hit, and this one will be rotating the character, basically. Rotating the character. Do you think Unity is worth it, or is it like dead? Unity is good for certain type of games, but recently with all the drama happening with Unity, people are moving away from Unity. I'm not sure if it's good or bad, but I would say Godot is getting its moment in the like now Focus Light, Battlefield 6, etc. You know, things can be done in Godot. It's becoming EA, but it's a game engine. Yeah, true. I would say if you want to go get into game development, you use Unreal Engine, because Unreal Engine has no headache of coding. You can just use the blueprint system, and for simple things, that is more than enough. And if you understand blueprint system, then it's easy peasy. It's just like working nodes in Blender. Okay, so if not instruction is empty after if condition. Blah blah blah. I think like this. No, wait. Expected semicolon after if condition. So like this, right? Expected block. Wait. Expected intended. Oh wait. Oop. Oh fuck. No. Wait. Oh, like this. Oh no. What the fuck am I doing? Okay, intent. Okay, I already intended it. Wait. If I type pass, okay, it is working. Like, why is it giving error when I'm not doing any error? Okay. What you doing right now? Lol, I just came right now. Okay, so I am making a ARPG in Godot. It's a Monster Hunter meets ARPG style with crafting, blacksmithing simulator kind of thing. So right now I have my code is still broken, so it's not opening up. So let me type pass there. Okay, now let's stop, play again. I have the character moving. Now I just need to make my character turn towards my mouse. I have the camera sets and everything. I have the smooth camera animation switches going on. So I few things I need to figure out is like when I go behind a building, the building should like go into transparency mode, like visibility. That I need to figure out. A few things, you know, the basic stepping stones of the game. Then we'll figure the graphics and stuff. Intended block that will run the after condition. Yeah, so intended block. So that this is what indentation, right? So okay, let's see. So let's create a new variable called position. Pause was enough. So this position variable will be our intersection position. So intersection dot position. Okay. If the intersection is not empty, if the intersection is not empty and it has a query within itself, have the ray origin and ray end, then the variable position will convert into intersection position. So now the position has to become my new position, right? In vector 3. If building in between opacity 50% easy. Wait, what? If building in between opacity 50%. No. When I go behind the building, it has to reduce the opacity, right? There are few ways to do it, but I don't know exactly which method I need to use. Like I know how the language works. Do you? I think you know. Okay. Now this new intersection position needs to be my new position where my character is looking towards. So only in the rotation it has to work, not in all angles. We're just typing random shit. Sometimes it makes sense, sometimes it doesn't, you know. So let's see my camera. Wait, what should be changed here? So let's see. What needs to rotate? Not my character. No, my character shouldn't move. My camera controller needs to rotate. Right? Camera controller is on the... Okay, yeah. My camera... No. My camera controller shouldn't rotate. My character needs to rotate. My camera is fixed. My character. So, character self dot look at vector 3, and I need 3 values, right? Position x, position. Wait. Oh, we made pos. We made a variable called pos. So pos dot x, pos dot y, and pos dot z. My logic would be camera and the character has object in between. We can add opacity. Oh, yeah, that's exactly what we want to do. If the camera is shooting a beam towards the character, and if the beam detects any object, any mesh in between, that mesh has to reduce visibility, reduce in opacity to maybe 10%. Then, but I need to do it like once your character gets out of that mesh, the mesh has to come back to 100% opacity, right? So I need to do that logic. That's the logic I need to build into the code. Okay. Now this is basically rotating the character, right? So now we have vector 3 with pose pose x, y, z, and vector 3. What is this? 0, 1, 0, and close. Nope. Oh wait, hold up. There we go. Now, there we go. Okay, so we have vector 3 pos x, y, z, and vector 3 0, 1, 0. Let's see how it works. Maybe there's some more shenanigans to do. Okay, now if I save, go to main, add, play. Oh la la. Hey, even my character is moving towards the mouse, which, hey, we sorted it. We got it. We got our character moving. Let's go. Wait. Now W is moving towards the mouse. But when I look sideways, W needs to go sideways, right? When the character is like looking down, looking up. This is cool. This is nice. All right. Somehow it worked, but my character is all going wonky because W is moving in all the directions wherever I'm looking. So now let's fix WASD. WASD needs fixing. So the location where I'm going should be actual location, not the location of the mouse. I think that happened because I am rotating the character, right? If I'm not rotating the character, and if I'm rotating, let's say, instead of self, I'm rotating the camera controller. What will happen then? Oh shit. Oh my fucking god, what is happening? Okay. Oh, this is rotating the entire game. Oi! Stop. Stop. Oh, this is tough. Okay, but the character is moving as expected. So it's not in a camera controller. It's just trial and error right now. Hi, Muskan. Hello. Let's just change this to script, not camera. What about just the mesh? Maybe character mesh. Character mesh. What if I just rotate the mesh? Wait, it's trial and error time. Trial and error time. Okay, okay. Yes, yes, this is what I want. Yes, it works. Now W moves where it's intended to be. Okay, perfect. We figured it out. This is good. What happens when I jump though? Okay, so I figured that out. It has to be on character mesh instead of character body 3D or the camera controller. Okay, so the rotation is happening now. This all code which I made right now, this much, including this much code is helping me to face the character towards my mouse. Okay, this is good. This is good shit. I like it. Now let's make the movement proper. Okay, now we need to make this movement proper. So we have WASD. So vector 3, input direct X 0 and input direction Y. But Y is up and down, right? Velocity X. Oh, my brain is hurting right now. You know what? We'll go back to our original method where our character's 3D camera controller is at 0 degrees. This is the best because I don't want to mess with other things. We will just rotate the world as it is. Now our character is moving as expected, looking where I need to supposed to do. If I'm looking this way, I can backtrack. I need to do back velocity. I need to reduce the back velocity. While moving back, I need to reduce the velocity. Yeah, but it's fine, right? Kaze here, but lurking while I complete tasks that are left. All right, thank you, Kaze. I think you messaged a little bit before. I was seeing it right now. Thank you for the lurk. I appreciate that. Okay, so now my character is looking around the mouse, but wait a minute. It's looking on the mouse. It's kind of weird though. I mean, I don't want this to happen. Can I limit it somehow, maybe? Oh, maybe if my character has proper skeleton, rig, that is, then it might not do this kind of weird things looking on the floor. Or it might be a nice little feature which I can add in the game. All right. All right, so character is turning around, looking, which is good, which is fantastic, which is exactly what I want. Now let's figure out things being transparent when there is something in between the camera and the building. Well, let's make this solid. Give it a collision. Where is that? This one, huh? Let's give that a mesh instance. Let's give that a collision shape 3D. The collision shape 3D only serves as a collision shape to a collision object 3D. Derived node. Please use area character body, rigid body, static body, area 3D. So instead of mesh, we need to add another one called rigid body. Brother, you got my respect to use Godot for 3D game. It's my first time using Godot, by the way, so still learning while I'm making it. But yeah, I want to make something. Rigid body 3D, we'll just put it there, put the mesh inside the rigid body, put the collision there. No, wait. Shit. Shit. Collision inside. Now what are you missing? Scale changes to rigid body 3D while be overridden by the physics engine when running. A lot of people say it's the worst option, even though I use it too for 3D games. Nice. Have you made something in Godot? Any 3D stuff? 2D is okay. 2D is easy, kind of. Have you made something 3D? There's no extra axis to take care of in 3D. What is this? Shape must be provided for the collision. That I will do. That is like this. No, that doesn't work. We'll make a shape box. That is sorted. Why has the rigid body showing this error? Scale changes to rigid body will be overridden by the physics engine when running. So scale transform. Oh, okay. Scale. But where did that mesh go? Wait. Scale, reset the scale. Okay. Mesh. There we go. Then okay, so the collision is set for the rigid body. Now save. Wait, this has some alpha, right? Transparency. Let's just disable that. Albedo. Let's disable the transparency as well. Let's save it. Let's run it. All right. So, oh shit, this is the thing I need to avoid. If I'm looking up the building, my mouse, my game thinks my character is looking towards my mouse, and there is a there is a mesh over there, and the character is like, oh, what's up there, kind of thing. So if I go close, no, he just lays down on the floor. That's kind of weird, but at least I got my character moving. Now, okay. Now what I want is if I go behind the building, the building needs to change invisibility. So there is an option for that called distance something something. Wait. Distance. No. Moving is a bit odd. Hey, once the character gets legs and arms in a proper rig, it will be okay, I guess. There is a 3D node called collision shape. So I think the distance between arrow reduces at a certain point. It should not do it. I assume. Wait, what? So I think the distance between arrow reduces a certain point. It should not do it. I assume. What? Not the legs. I meant when the mouse comes too close. Once the character has a proper rig, no, it might get fixed. I'm not sure, but it should get fixed. No, wait. What am I thinking? Where is that thing? I forgot the name. I need to think. Camera? No. Joints? No. No. You hold up. Give me 1 sec. Wait. So it is called object proximity something. Proximity. Proximity? No, nothing is called object proximity. Wait. Visibility notifier? No, not visibility notifier. Where is it? Wait. Okay, we can either use. Okay, we need to use a spatial material. Yeah. So it's a material. It's not a node. Okay, so in this 3D mesh instance, material. No, wait. Spatial. No. It's a mesh instance, right? Wait, let me look at a tutorial here really quick.
The simple scene setup, which is just a wall on a player, and when we move around everything is okay until one problem with behind it. And inside the properties we method is pretty straightforward, when our player goes behind it. The first method is pretty straightforward. We create a spatial material and
I don't know where to create a spatial material. Wait, hold up. That's the mesh. Okay. Spatial material. This is the material. But there's nothing called a spatial material. I think. It's a different type of mesh. Mesh instance material. Distance weight. Ah, fucking got it. Got it. What happened? Wait, how do I go back? Fudge. Hello? Help. What did they do? Oh, wait. That's my code. Oh, wait. Don't do anything. Close. Okay, it'll be 3D. Oh, back. Oh, there we go. Okay, now this is the material. And here's the distance fade. Now if I turn it to object dither, it should be an object dither. Let me see.
The way we select the pixel alpha option.
Oh, it's a pixel alpha, not object dither. Okay, hold on. So if I choose pixel alpha, no. Oh, see, now it fades when I go close. Okay, so I need to find the sweet spot, but my shadows are gone, which I don't like. My shadow is gone. What about pixel dither? Oh, it kind of... Oh, this is nice effects. I like this. How about object dither? No, disabled. No, I like this kind of effect. If you're going behind an object, this is nice. Okay, so now let's find the sweet spot of my camera angle and the thing fading. Okay, so let's minimum distance and maximum distance is there. We need to play around with that little bit. I didn't know the disappearing object has an effect. Oh, you can you can change this into the pixel distance fade option. I was trying to find this where it was. Now if I increase the distance, oh, 100 meters, that's too much. Like my camera distance is 12 meters, right? 12 meters is my camera distance. Let's make it 15 meters. Then save it, play again. So if I go behind now, I can see my character, but it's still not faded completely. So big buildings and stuff, I just need to... Oh, it has to be done on the shader. I mean, the material. If it has multiple materials, then what would I do? I'll have to figure things out. So let's increase the thing to 20 meters. Now let's play again and see. We go fast. I mean, kind of nice effect, you know, right? You can group the materials. Group the materials. I don't think if there are multiple... Oh, wait. I can just join the entire geometry and make a single texture map, right? Yeah, that should work. Okay, right now the effect I'm supposed to get, I'm getting. It's good, but it's not disappearing completely. So let's 30. Oh, wait. Does it change? Oh, it changes live. Okay. So let's put 30. Oh, another problem. Oh, no. This is not what I want. Another problem is as soon as I come back to visible range, right? The building has to come back to full opacity. Only when I'm behind it, it has to disappear. Okay, wait. So this thing is not gonna work. This thing is not gonna work. Let's just rotate this 45 degrees as well for our isometric world. In normie terms, grouping. Yeah, kind of. So let's disable that thing. That is work. That is good for FPS. I mean, maybe third-person games and stuff. The distance fade. Oh, proximity fade. Hey yo. Hello. Excuse me. Does that work? I'm like kind of finding new things. Does it work? Oh wait, what happened here? Oh, it's in the proximity of. Wait, what happened here? It's in the proximity of the ground. That's why I kind of, that's kind of weird though. Like let's put like 2 meters, 5 meters. It's in the proximity of the ground. That's why it's kind of doing some weird shit. But wow, yeah, the collision is messed up right now. I didn't rotate the collision. Okay, there we go. Bro was pulling main switch to turn off the computer, then he discovers shutdown button. Nah, this doesn't work because it is not what I was thinking. It is like a fog effect kind of. It's a blur effect. That's not what I want. That's not what I want. Proximity fade. Okay, distance fade, resource, transform, normal map, roughness. Where is transparency? Oh, there we go. Okay, transparency to alpha. No. Alpha scissor. Alpha hash. Or depth prepass. So if I give okay, so the only option I have right now is like when my object, I need to put a ray cast on my character, and whenever it is touching, okay, let's see. The ray cast has to be on the camera controller, so it doesn't move. So adding a new raycast 3D. So this is gonna be on the camera control. Oh wait, it's already on the camera controller. So, and it's gonna be wait, what? So you went from pulling the plug to turning the main power line. Kind of, what doesn't work. So raycast 3D. This is basically giving me the fade. So I'm gonna name this fade ray. Just not like that. Just yeah, fade ray. I'm just gonna name it fade ray. And where is the object? Enabled, transform, scale. Where is it? Oh, it's going down now. but I want it to rotate minus 90. So it's behind me. Okay. Oh, where's the camera? Where's the camera? Okay. So it's behind me, and it is, let's say, 2 meters long. 2 meters long. No, wait, 3 meters long. 3 meters long. That's the ray we have right now, that blue line. This light blue line has the ray which is coming on the camera controller. So it is always on me, stuck. Okay. Now, okay. Now save this, save that. We have a ray which will turn around. Wait, no. Which will always look 3 is too odd. 5, 8, 12. Bro, I'm not that big, dude. Maybe 5. Maybe why? What if the buildings are like 2? No. See, the thing is that 3 meters. 8. Oh wait, what if the buildings are too tall? You are right. 1 second. I need to put my phone for charging. Right, you charge there. All right. So I don't think it will rotate with my character. It will always stick like this. So now if I save, go to main, I can't see the raycast, but it should always be on the camera controller, not the character. Also think of it 3 is too odd. Also think of it that way. Why use the ray instead of just check if camera line of sight is cut off or not? Oh, I need the ray. Oh wait, camera line of sight is cut off or not. That also works. That also works, to be honest. Oh, what if, wait a minute. See, my character is rotating on Z. What axis is this? Up and down like this. It should not do this. It should only look around in the Y axis. Oh yeah. Let's fix that real quick. So X, Y, 0. No, not there, sorry. Get viewport, get position. Position is intersection position. Character mesh, look at vector. Position 0 is position X is 0. Position Z is 0. Now let's see. Oh fuck. Now let's see. Oh shit. Oh wait, what happened? It's kind of weird. Hey Ninfan, what's up? He's kind of acting odd. Wait, that was not the right change. Position X, position Y, position Z. Vector 3, 0, 1, 0. What is happening? I'm making a game. You're learning coding. Learning GD script as well as making the game. Making a base of the game first. Then slowly we will decorate it with 3D assets and colorful stuff. Basically making the base of the game. So vector 3, 0, 1, 0. Position X, position Y, position Z. So character mesh looking at pos X. Position X is intersection of the position, right? So intersection is space state query, we intersect ray. For more complex scenarios like occlusion, you might need to implement custom solutions like raycast or custom shaders. Source Google. Yeah, I mean, I would need a raycast for other stuff as well. I'm just just gonna add one raycast and forget about it. There'll be multiple raycast coded into different formats. How you doing, man? Nin, it's been a while. So if character machine is looking at the vector position x, position y, position z, when pos y, x, y, z, vector 0, 1, 0. So wait, look at target vector 3, up vector 3, comma, up vector 3, vector 0, 1, 0, use model front, bool false. Rotate the node so that the local forward axis minus z, vector 3 forward, points towards the target position. The local up axis y points as close to the up vector as possible while staying perpendicular to the local forward axis. The resulting transform is orthogonal and the scale is preserved. Non-uniform uniform scaling may not work correctly. The target position cannot be the same as the node's position. Just work day in and day out. Just work. What can we do? I also have to do work. What's today's Sunday? Work on Sunday. The up vector cannot be 0. Okay, that means it's 1. So it is 1. Up vector is 1. So what if, wait, look at, the up vector cannot be 0. The target and the up cannot be vector 3 dot 0. Target and up. You shouldn't be collinear to avoid unintended rotation around local z-axis. Operations take place in small global space, which means that node must be the same scene tree. If use model front is true, then plus z-axis asset front is treated as forward, implies plus x is left and the point towards the target position by default. The minus z-axis camera forward is treated as forward, implies plus x is right. I'm not going to use model front because I already made the model front like that. Consulting me work-life balance 0 hota hai. Oh, you're into consulting. Come on, dude. Time to switch your career. What makes you comfortable? So what if I put vector 3 and vector x and z in minus? Still kind of wonky, right? No, wait. Oh yeah. This is good. It's like I'm gonna sleep. So it's like, yeah, it's very wonky. It has to be 0, 0. But I don't want it to rotate in that axis, right? So what if I do a vector, just a vector? Oh, there's no vector. It has to be vector 2 or 3. It has to be vector 3. But there's only 2 values inside this. Look at vector 3 and this is 1 value. Oh, this is 3 values. Okay, this is 3 values. And there's another vector 3 with another 3 values. Okay, so look at needs 2 values. From the value, wait, what are these values? I need to read again. Look at target, vector 3, up, vector 3. Look at target, vector 3, up, vector 3, equal to vector 3, 0, 1, 0. Okay, vector 3 up. Oh, fuck, man. Maybe it's referencing one point and comparing it to it. I think so, but it's not mentioned here. Target vector 3 up. Y-axis is perfect. I don't want the character rotating in X and Z axis, which is kind of weird right now, because if I look up the building here, say, you know, if my mouse, my character is like going like this. If I look at the grass, it's like going to sleep on the ground. Will it not make all the objects opaque when enemies? No, wait, no. All I have to do is on these buildings, I'll just apply that in the coding. Enemies will be a different mesh, I mean scene itself, so I don't have to implement that code onto the mesh, I mean onto the, wait, it will touch every mesh. I can make that variable into rigid body, so only rigid body objects will get affected. That I can do. The character mesh, look at vector 3 pos xyz. Does it require 3 values? That's my question. So what if I remove these pos? Only get the pos y instead. Like this. So only position, wait, did it crash? No, wait, it crashed. I think it needs 3 values. It crashed. So it needs all 3 values. So what if it's 0, comma, and position y, comma, 0. Ah, bro is acting. Oh, I already tried this, no? I already tried that. So it doesn't work. What if I put an equal to 0 inside here? Equal to 0. Wait, 0 degrees? Wait. No, it doesn't work. Assignment is not allowed inside expression. Sneaky. It's not a manually set property. Yeah, it is not a manually set property. Okay. Let's see here. Everything else is fine. Everything else is fine. Ray origin, ray end. It's a vector 3. This is a vector 3. Okay. Now we have the space state, which gets the world 3D ka space state. Mouse position, which gets the mouse position in the viewport. Get viewport, get mouse position. Now ray origin is equal to camera's ray origin at the mouse position. Ray end is basically ray origin plus the same thing, but not the origin, the normal, the path, not the origin point, the path times 2000. I don't know what that time 2000 is, but it's doing the job. Then physics ray query parameter, create ray origin ray end or intersection space state equal to intersect ray query. That is all done. The rays hit from the mouse and it's working. If not, intersection is empty. Rotating the character. If not, intersection is empty. Variable position equal to intersection position. Character mesh, look at vector 3. What if I add one more line But look at is a vector 3, right? Was there a look towards something? A look at from position. Vector 3. Target vector 3. Up vector 3. Use model front bool. Position is the current position. Target. Oh yeah, it's basically target and up. Yeah, it's target and up basically. Yeah. So I got it. So the first argument is the target, where to look at, and the second argument is just pointing towards up, because it has to stay upright. The character has to stay upright, right? So this is the target where we need to look at. So we are looking at the position, intersection position, and everything is fine. But now the rotation has to be fixed. Okay, so we're gonna do one more thing. $ character mesh dot rotation. Rotate, let's say X is 0. Okay. And one more, character mesh dot rotate Z is 0. Now it doesn't rotate in those axes. Let's hope it works. Hey, oh wait, it does. It still does. It still does rotate on X and Y. Rotate X. Maybe. Oh wait, maybe not like this. Equal to 0. Equal to 0. Like this. No, it crashes. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna figure this out again. So mesh rotation equal to 0. Invalid argument of property rotate X. No, rotate is gone, no? What is that? No, rotation cannot wait. Oh. No, it's crashing. It should be in degrees. Oh yeah. Rotation equal to rad to degree 0. Rotation dot x. Rotation dot x. Rad to degree equal to 0. Rad to degree or degree to rad? No, it is not working. Degree to rad is 0. Right. No, it's crashing. Oh, maybe it's a function. Like this. It's crashing. This line is not working. Maybe rotate dot x. Something's wrong. Okay, dot rotate vector 3 axis angle float. Oh wait, void rotate. Rotate. Axis is a vector 3, then angle, then float. There was a degree function in the suggestions. Yeah, is a degree to radian. So radian to degree. Documentation time? Nah. Let's see. Character mesh rotate axis we need to figure out first. The axis is a vector 3 and angle is a float, right? So axis is, what if I give rotate dot x? Doesn't work. So rotate. Oh, rotate underscore x is there. Okay, rotate underscore x, angle float. So let's say angle. Oh, it rotates. It should not rotate. I mean 0, right? Wait, let me try. It's crashing. It doesn't work like this. This code, this line doesn't work. I don't know what to change. I didn't. Right now we are back to square one. So let's say the character mesh dot rotation degrees. Oh, this one is talking about rotation degrees. Oh, okay. So rotation degrees equal to 0. Does this work? It's still crashing. Equal to 0. What if I put this first here? Oh wait, what happened? Shit. Cut, paste. What if it's like this? Still crashing. So this doesn't work. Invalid assignment property or key rotation degrees with value of type int on the base object of type mesh instance ready. Invalid assignment. Bro, still rotating. No, I didn't assign anything. So character mesh. What if I add a new variable called rots? Okay, equal to character mesh dot rotation. Okay. Rotation. No, not rotation. Rotate. Rotate. No, that won't work. Character mesh dot rotation degrees. Then here we'll put rot equal to 0. That is the same thing, but will it work? No idea. Crash. Oh wait, it didn't crash. But nah, it's doing nothing. It did nothing. The code did nothing. Character mesh rotation dot degrees. Oh, excuse me. Wire position, intersection position. Let's just ignore that. Is there any other look function? Let me see. Character mesh dot look. Only look and look at from position. Give me 1 second. ChatGPT. ChatGPT. I want my character to not look up or down when following the maps. Please tell me what to change. Hey, finally, ChatGPT. This includes the y-axis vertical, which is why the character tilts up and down following the mouse. To keep the rotation flat on the ground, x-z plane only, you should lock the y coordinate of the target position to the character's current y. So, var flat pose vector 3 pose x global transform origin y pose z. Character mesh look at flat pose vector 3 up. Okay, so we need to make a new variable right here. Right down here, variable flat pos, wait, flat underscore pos equal to vector 3 pos dot x comma global dot transform global transform dot origin dot y. I don't know what global. Oh, global spelling is wrong. That's why it was not coming. Global transform origin y, comma pos dot z. Now character mesh look at. Oh, wait a minute. Why do I need to make this flat pose? I can just take this and paste it here. Then delete this. No need this. Not required. Not required. Now if I save, if I play, hey, hey. Now it works. Now it looks down. No, it doesn't look down. Now it works. Finally, I'm fixing things one thing at a time. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Let's go. So all we had to do was fix the y instead of pos y. We had to do the global transform origin of y. No, we didn't have to mess up with x and z rotation. We had to mess up with the y's vector global transform of the mesh. Alright, that is sorted. Now if I want to change this into the original method, I just can type pause here. Alright, which is good. Nice, good job. Okay, now what I want to do is use the same method of this ray origin, ray end. I already have the ray origin and ray end. Oh wait, the ray origin and ray end is happening at the camera and the mouse. Right? Now where's the ray origin? Yeah, ray origin is happening at the camera and ending at the mouse position. But now I want camera and the character, so that should be another set of code. So that's why it's gonna get complicated. So that's why I decided to use the this one. What do you call it? Raycast. So added the raycast on the canvas because of fade ray, right? Okay. Now all right, here we go. Now ChatGPT is going to give me raycast, how to implement it. In your character body 3D or camera controller, add a raycast 3D node. Position it at the camera. How will I position the raycast at the camera? Set its target position, cast to the character, or just script it. Enable property. Okay, wait. Okay. So this ray has to be on the camera target, not on the camera controller. If I go to 3D, so the raycast is right here right now. So if I move the raycast to the camera targets, now where is it? Will it disappear? Where is it? Oh, it's still there. No, wait. Oh, it's still there. I need to reset the position. Okay, there we go. Camera is tilted 45 degrees, so it should point towards. Okay, I need to rotate, disable the rotation. Wait, how it's gonna work? Add a raycast state in the scene. In your character 3D or camera controller, add a raycast. Add a raycast node. Position it at the camera. Set its target position, cast to the character. Cast to. Where is it? Enabled. Hey, 2 cup tea. तुमने हमको दिल हमने पी. तुमने हमको दी हमने पी. Oh yeah, I gave you tea. मैं दी दिल बोल दिया. Oh my fuck. How you doing? What a name, bro. What a name. Crazy. So camera ray is a raycast 3D starting at the camera and pointing to the player. Each frame we check if something is in between. If yes, hide it. If no, show again. Beware the Twitch users. The legendary killed is back. My name is Bruh. Bruh. Why? 1 meter, 1 meter. Oh, wait. That's the character. 15 meters is enough. Let's do 16 meters. And this one 2 meters. And this one 2 meters. There you go. So the ray is set. That should be our ray. Hey, Sulaiman, what's up? Just wanted to say hi. Keep building, bro. All right. Thanks for popping by. How is your day? I'm not gonna call you your username. Give me some other name to call you if you're gonna come by often. 3D camera has no rotation, of course. Camera target has a 45 degree, minus 45 degree rotation. This one also has a rotation. So if what's wrong here? Why is it going that way? It should have the parent's rotation. But no, never mind. Okay, now we have our raycast setup. Okay, let's go back to the code. Let's go back to the code and let's see what to add. Okay, so we need to add new code. So let's see. So we need a function. We need to make a wait. Handle camera. It doesn't work. Occlusion. There you go. We made a function. Now, oh, it doesn't work. Wait, shit. Function handler is not found in the base self. Okay, wait. I'll make it. Chill. Function handle. Oh, wait. It is not in self. Wait, hold on. Camera. Occlusion. Dash arrow void. Oh, wait. There's a space here. Oop. After function. Okay. Now it works. After function declaration, indentation is required. Oh, wait. Forgot something. Oh, double quotes. Then indentation is required. Oh, double indentation. Okay. Indentation is required, and we're gonna. Okay, I'm not understanding this code. Okay, we need to reset previously hidden and also collide and hide it, right? So if object obj, oh wait, obj object in, wait, what is that? Okay, few things has been added, variables I need to check. Okay, we need to add a new variable called somewhere here. Let's enter some. It's not called camera ray. It's called fade ray. Okay. For hidden objects array, track hidden objects. So we have two variables. View ray and hidden objects. View ray, variable view ray. This one. Okay, if view ray is colliding function, then if you go down here, if the camera handle occlusion for object in hidden objects. Ah, there we go. Expected intended block after 4. Yes. 4 objects in hidden blocks if object and and object, not projection, object dot has method show dot show, yeah, it's a string. So show and again indentation object dot show function. Then hidden objects underscore clear. All right, so this is when the camera occlusion is camera is out of the hidden objects, the thing. What is it called? Again, let's make another function now. Oh wait, no. It's if view underscore ray dot is colliding with variable collider equal to view ray dot collision. Oh wait, view ray is get collider. So variable collider is view ray get collider. So we have the collider information, and now if collider and collider spelling. Oh, okay. Collider is okay, and collider not equal to self. Collider hide. Collider dot hide. There we go. Hidden objects dot opened collider. This should work. Oh, fuck. God, my God, it's crashed. Like, bye-bye. Crazy. I did it even save? Oh no. Oh no. It's not opening. Oh no. What the fuck do I do? How do I back up? 17. 19. Oh no. Oh no. Maybe I'll have to go to that GD script, character.gd, open a notepad. Oh shit, man. Yes, I'll remove the code which I made right now. This. Okay, cut it, paste, save. Now if I open, please open. Ah. And then all my work just went to trash. But hey, good job. Okay, so basically this code is not doing the thing which I wanted to. No, I don't need that. Oh no, again. It happened again. Like this code is doing something weird. I don't think it is supposed to be like that. So what is wrong with this code? Australian intent block after lambda declaration. Oh. Maybe that was the problem? Standalone lambdas cannot be accessed. Consider assigning it to a variable. What? Oh. 1 sec. Wait, why is this indentation required? That indentation is not required. There you go. Yo, Rise by, what's up? No, please don't crash. I'm gonna copy the code. Save. Crashed. God damn it. This code is crashing my projects. Camera working? Camera is working. My character is moving. Wait, I'll show you. Wait, hold on. So the process we have done today is make my character look to my mouse and make WASD exactly WASD, not following the mouse instead. Then right now we are working on things disappearing when we go behind objects. Now the camera is smooth, everything is solid. Now it just guy rotates around. Yep, things are looking good. But right now I'm trying to do a code which is not working. Okay, so we add a new, maybe if it's in camera controller instead of camera array. Let's see how it looks. Camera work is so partially done, kind of. I would say kind of. No, not required. But I need it to come from my camera target, not the controller. Okay, so we go back to our code. So we have a already variable view ray, camera controller fade. Okay, view ray. Okay, and a variable hidden objects in an array to track hidden objects. Okay. Then okay, so this code needs some amending. Let's see. Function handle camera occlusion void for objects and hidden objects. If object is not oh wait. We need to make another if statement. Now we need to change this. If object and object is node 3D. Okay, then object dot visible नहीं है क्या dot objects dot visible equal to true. Then hidden objects clear. Then check new collision. If view ray is colliding, variable collider equal to view ray to get collider. If collider and collider equal to self, and collider is node 3D, collider dot visible equal to false. Then okay, let's copy this shit. The habit of using tab to autofill text is so annoying on Chrome. On Chrome? Oh, it saved. Oh, finally, it saved. Okay, now let's see if this shit works. Okay. Now if I go behind, no, that is not the thing. It's not hiding. Come on. It's not hiding. Maybe here instead of node 3D is supposed to be mesh instance 3D. And here also is mesh instance 3D. Now if I see, oh shit, the game is not launching. Oh wait, indentation. Don't crash. Unable to write. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, I thought it crashed. Yeah, it fills the text but also switches to voice search option. Oh yeah, that shit. Okay, it's not hiding. It's not hiding either. Okay, I need to move this in 3D. I need to move this rigid body more like to the center so I can test it easily. It's too far away. Okay, still not working, still not working. Ah, wait. Hmm. Yeah, let's just get rid of this entire code. Bye bye. Let's get rid of this one. Bye bye. Hmm. No, wait, I need those. Camera targets, fade ray. Okay. Then I have a new code. Let's just paste it. Camera handle occlusion for object in hidden objects. If object in object is not 3D, object visible true, hidden objects clear. Check if ray hits something. If view ray is colliding, variable collider, object equal to view ray get collider. If collider and collider is not equal to self, variable node equal to collider as node. Variable mesh parent, mesh instance 3D equal to null. Walk up to the tree until we find the tree. Yeah. Oh, it's not building. Building a mesh basically. Walk up to the mesh until we find the mesh instance tree. While node and mesh parent equal to null, if node is mesh parent, node else node blah blah. Get parent if mesh parent. Okay, let's save. Play. Oh, sure, wrong scene. Still doesn't work. Still doesn't work. It's shit. It's shit. Hmm. What do I do? Wait, I'm gonna get rid of the entire thing which we made right now, even these things. If don't want to mess anything up. Ask ChatGPT for help for this one. One sec. Hmm. Okay, we're gonna polish some things. If intersection is not empty, we need to do something. Log down y position x intersection position. Then up. Variable target rotate. Oh wait, I need to make few things. After this, we need to make space character for indentation, where indentation? Oh here, that's a space. What's happening? There we go. Vector 3, okay, minus global transform origin. What current rotation, target direction, character mesh rotation Y. Then do this. So take current rotation, target rotation, delta x 10 times. Let's see if this improves the character rotation. Oh, it's opposite side. Oh no. The rotation is smoother now. Not like very sharp. But it's not in the right mouse direction. It's in the opposite mouse direction. I think it's because of this. No. Wait. Rotation, target rotation, current rotation, target rotation. No, we'll go to our original code for now. Tan yx minus target direct x and minus target direct y. Okay, there we go. That should fix it. There we go. Wait, z, x and y or z? No, x and z. Okay, good. This is fine. Looks good. I want to make my character look up and down. I can remove this and make it cos. I think that should work. No, it's not working. I think with this, I think I locked the rotation Y. Yeah, it won't work. This is fine. This is fine. Okay, so I've smoothened that out. Now let's see what else I can do. Where's my lerp on the camera? The lerp on the camera is here. Camera controller lerp, camera controller position 0.05. Okay. Okay, now let's see. Cast a ray or shape from the camera to the player. Cast a ray or shape. So we are ray casting. That is for sure. We have a ray cast on our camera, which is ray casting onto the character. I think the distance is okay. Okay, that should work. Hey Dev, welcome back. Hey, I'm back here. What is the task right now? The task right now is to make meshes invisible when I go behind it. So right now what I've achieved so far in this stream is to make my character look at my mouse and basically run properly with WASD in whichever direction I'm looking. Then I am trying to figure out how to make the mesh invisible. There's two options. There's another way to do it, which is this one. If you go to the mesh instance, in the material tab, you have this option called distance fade. If you enable that to pixel dither and change maybe like 25, then you play, you can basically see through. You can see your character, but as soon as you leave behind, it doesn't work anymore. I mean, the building have to come back to full opacity. It only comes back to full opacity when you walk far away from the object. That's kind of annoying because it should only go away when you are behind it. I mean, it should only be this translucent effect or transparent effect when you are behind it. That's what I'm trying to do. So I'm trying to figure out a way to make this invisible. Make raycast from the mesh with every side, which if it hits the player, it alpha fits. See, I made the raycast on the camera target right now on this camera target I have, and it's pointing towards the player. This is the raycast right now. It's called, I've renamed it to fade ray. So this is the raycast pointing right now. Every side which is, if it hits the player, it alpha fades. Not cam in the mesh, in all, every single mesh. You're saying every single mesh. So what I was thinking is, when this raycast and this player, right? We have the player and we have the camera. If something in the middle, if the raycast gets collided in the middle with something else, that thing, whatever it gets collided with, disappears. That's what I was thinking. Open this ray script. I don't have the script yet. I'm still figuring out. I still haven't made the script yet. Okay. So make a signal from the ray to the player's script. Okay, so from the ray to the player script, right? So let's fade signals. Visibility changed? Is it visibility changed? No? What signal are we gonna make? Oh, that is different. Okay. Emitted when node visibility changes. Intersect. There is no intersect in the fade signals. Make a signal from the ray to the player script. Intersect. Maybe in the character. This one. I think it's in the script. Yeah, I think it's in the script. So I have to add it in the script itself. Like intersect, intersection, right? No, wait. That is my code. There's a different one. That is for my camera mouse capture. Wait, can you take that? Like fade ray dot inter. Nope. It doesn't have intersect. Is colliding is there. Intersect is not there. Collide. Yeah, is colliding? Is colliding function, right? Okay, is colliding. I don't know where this is going, but it's colliding with what? Okay, the ray is colliding with, let's say, mesh instance. If a ray is colliding with a mesh instance, let's say, if Update mesh, yes. Update mesh. No, wait, updated mesh is updated mesh function. Wait, update mesh is not a function, right? Wait. Is it an inbuilt function? No, wait. If update mesh will not come, right? A function where you have to add. Yes. So function update mesh. So just make this a variable fade ray equal to, wait, does it, oh, what's a, okay, function update mesh. Oh, shit. Pass. I mean, if I put pass, it just goes away, right? I need the function, right? I need if fade ray is empty, if fade ray is not empty, or temporarily, okay. If fade ray is not empty, then we need to wait. Let me see. If fade ray, what happens? Fade ray. If fade ray is not empty, oh, it is not empty. Oh, empty like this. No, fade ray is not. How do I show empty? Is empty, right? Is empty? No. If fade ray, okay, wait. If fade ray is empty, no, is empty is not working. Function update mesh. If fade ray, oh, if wait, I'm getting confused here. Okay, if fade ray wait. Okay, make a print. Function update mesh, then after that, right? No. If fade ray print fade ray. Print anything. Okay. Print 1. Not declared in the current scope. Why is it an error here? Fade ray is not in the function. Oh, okay. There we go. Make the fade ray fun out the out the physics function. Wait, okay. Let's print 1 if it works. Okay. Oh, Wrong scene. Now it is not printing anything. But we didn't give any if statement, right? We didn't give any if statement. Update. We made a function called update mesh, and if fade is not empty, basically empty is not working. Like, I don't know, something is right. It choose to work. I have to call. Yeah, I need to call it. Wait, hold on. Oh, is colliding. We're checking if it's colliding, right? Oh, got it. My bad. We need to call update. We need to call update mesh at the end, right? Like this. Oh, not here. But like this. In physics. Update mesh has to be in the physics. Physics process delta, yeah. Here, no? It's in the physics process delta. Everything is in the physics process delta. Nice. All right, now let's see if it goes printing. It's still not printing. Oh shit. Ouch. What happened? Okay. Wrong. Call it inside the physics function. I mean, this one, right? Physics process delta, right? It is inside. It is inside. Update mesh is inside the physics process delta. One time intended. Yes, it's inside. It's on. No, wait. You mean like this? It is inside only. Oh, wait a minute. Is it not inside? Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. My bad. It's oh, my bad. It's inside. It's on. I completely forgot about the new function we made. So we'll just put it. Let's just put it here. Now let's not put it there. Let's put it for move and slide. There you go. Now it's crashing. Now what? Oh. No, so that's a variable, sorry. Oh, it's gone. Now why are you error? Wait. Stop. Play. I don't need this, I guess. Oh wait, I need. Why are you having an error now? Before it was not there, but now when I move that update mesh to somewhere else, what is the error message? Invalid call to function is colliding. in base raycast 3D, expected 0 arguments. Oh, maybe I can't put this. Wait, is colliding. Okay, so no arguments basically. Yeah. No. Yep. Finally, it's printing one. Oh, it's working. It's working. Yes. All right. Thank you so much. Yeah. All right. So now print is working. So if fade ray, now we know what to do, right? If fade ray, you're more than welcome. Thank you so much. All right. If fade ray is not right. The fade ray is okay. Fade ray is this one, right? Camera is colliding. Fade ray. Let's see. Okay, we need to make another function, I guess. Oh, update mesh is the function, right? If fade ray means it is colliding, yeah. If fade ray is, that means it is colliding. Then how will I get the object to make it hide? Object will not come, no? What if I put object dot visible? No, object dot visible. No, show hide. No. Okay, wait. Thinking. Just hide. That's it. Or object dot hide. Daniel, let me wait. Okay, wait. It's not hiding. Don't put object. Okay, don't put object. Oh wait, I hid myself. So I'm getting hidden when the raycast is touching. That is working. It's working. But now we need to switch it to make make the object which is colliding with the character with the raycast which is colliding with the object to change. Okay, now I'm getting hidden. That is perfect. It's working. We just with 4 lines of code, it's working. I have no fucking clue how it's working. Fade ray is colliding. If fade ray, then basically when you do this, it's hiding the self, right? But we'll have to make a variable which will be just the mesh instances. Maybe, but I will need to give it to rigid body as well, no? Rigid body, yeah, it will not work. If not, Wait, I'm just gonna add this right here, fade ray. Then show. There you go. Maybe fade ray dot hide. No, that will hide the fade. That will hide the ray, right? Oh wait. How will fade ray hide? Fade ray is colliding function, right? The colliding function of the fade. Hold on. Print print 0. Okay, if it's hiding, it's printing 0. If it's doing this, it's printing 1. Okay, just need to clarify that. Okay, 0, 1, 0, 1. If I'm colliding with small objects, oh wait, what did I collide with there? Oh, something I'm colliding with something self objects. I can't see it, but oh wait, if I go to 3D, like mesh instance, inspector, transparency, albedo, color texture, a little bit transparent, save, just checking. Yeah, I'm disappearing and appearing, but I am disappearing. What if I'll have to code every single object with this? Oh yeah, that's what you were trying to say, right? But if I can figure it out this way, then I don't have to code it for every single mesh. Stop the cam delay. Oh, that is because I think I'm getting collided with my own mesh or the camera controller maybe. But I don't have any collision on that, right? Stop the cam delay. You mean the lerp on the camera? Yeah, that was the cam smooth. The lerp was the cam smooth. Wait. The cam delay when it follow the player. Oh, that is this line of code, just this line of code. Yeah, now it's gone. I have disabled the lerp. We'll add it later on. But I need it. But I need it in the future. Wait. But again, I am disappearing. I had the building to disappear. Okay, we'll work on that code now. Okay, so it's printing 0 and 1 as per intended. This is working basically. But now, make the ray a child of the player, not the cam. Child of the player instead. So you want the fade ray. Please see my comment. Okay. The cam delay. Wait, hold on. One sec. The cam delay character body. Oh yeah, character body, right? So fade ray will go to character body. But where should it face from? That's the question, right? Should it face like this only from the camera to the character, or from the character to the camera? It was not on camera 3, it was on the camera target. Should I reset? Yes, no worry. Okay, this is not a problem. Okay. Keep it as it is. Okay. Save. But now, if I go here, I'll need to change this. Fade. Okay, there you go. Now I can add the cam delay. It'll work. 0.05. Wait, what was the problem? Was it getting collided? Oh, yeah. Oh, what was the problem here? Was the my character being collided? Oh, yeah. So the my own character was being collided with the uh, fade ray, right? And it is only to exclude the parent. So the parent was the camera target, plus colliding with the character 43. Ah, yes. But I thought when you click on exclude parent, it disables all the parents, not just the direct parent. That was my mistake. That is a good one. All right, now we have fixed that. All right, character script, character 43 script. Okay, we need to fix this. If it's colliding, how to get the item if it's colliding? Give me 1 second. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Adding the camera to the player. Camera to the player. The recast name is paid. Oh shit. Stop. Just tell him that you're working in Godot 4.4. Okay, yeah, that too, yes. Oh, stop. Hmm. Okay. I am working. What did Copilot open? Working in Godot 4.4. There you go. To ask the ray hit what it hit, get collider. Check if the collider is in a fade buildings group. Change its material visibility instead of hiding the player camera node. Restore when the ray no longer hits it. Copilot is better. It gives better output. I think I should try Copilot next. Okay, so now it's saying wait. Add that onto my capital border. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to make an array. No, wait. If it says array, don't trust. It is saying array. Hmm. So basically, we need to store the get collider into an array. Very long solution. It's a very long solution. Yes. For update mesh void for m in last faded, if is instance valid, set building visible, last faded then clear, function set building fade. Oh, so big. It's very reliable but long. It's very long. What if I just copy paste the entire code? Wait, hold on. Just did this. Okay, no errors. I just copy paste the entire code ChatGPT just gave me. I'm not saving. Wait, hold on. Wait, let me back up the original code, right? Okay, I have copied the original code. Okay, nothing is gonna change. Just need to test. Just testing. Do not be afraid. Okay, save, play. It doesn't work. Undo. It doesn't work. You can say then Control Z. Yeah, listening. There is a very long solution. It's very reliable but long. Stop ChatGPT and cover and listen to me. All right. Fantastic. Okay, hear me and stop ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT closed. Done. ChatGPT is gone. Crazy. Add a variable. Okay, bro, you use AI for coding. Bro, I'm stuck. This is my first time using GD script. I need help. Okay, so okay, let's see. Add a variable, call it meshes. Okay, inside update meshes, variable meshes. I feel like ChatGPT makes people dumb. Kind of. It doesn't give you a perfect solution every time outside the function. Okay, let's put it here. Let's put variables for raycast. This one is variables for mouse character movement. Character movement. So we're gonna make a variable called meshes. All right. Hey, Deathwish, I didn't see you. Is it Monday already? Copy pasting ChatGPT. Yeah, just another day at my work. Thank you for the luck, Deathwish. I appreciate that. Okay. Collect meshes. Outside all functions. Yeah. What kind of game you are making? I'm making a blacksmithing simulator with a little bit of ARPG on it. It's a crafting based game, but I need a character movement and stuff, figuring things out. And wait, in meshes. So like meshes equal to no. Okay, equal to array Boop boop. No wait. Boop boop. Okay, there we go. Array equal to. Okay, array equal to like this. So meshes equal to array equal to 2 times arrays. Wait, like this? No, wait. Ah, yeah. Ah, got it. Ah, put this like last. You basically saying it's an empty array? Yes. You're right, Musi. Put inside. Oh, inside. Okay. No. Why is it showing error? Inside write resources. Wait. Where do I put the dots? I mean semicolons. What resources should I put? Because I will have to mention every single resource. Nowhere. Okay. This is done. No, this is done. I wanted you to see it. Okay. So we still made an array, right? Just try resources. Okay, inside we just write resource or resources. Resource. Okay. So resource is the inbuilt function. I mean inbuilt class. So it has all these. It is inherited by those, and it is part of object. Okay. Understood. Then you write export before the variable. Oh yes, so you can adjust it. Understood. I know what export does. All right. Oh wait, what happened? What happened? Unidentified identifier meshes in class body. Oh, variable disappeared. So, my bad. Okay. Got it. Sorted. There is yelling at me. Yeah, I just didn't see that disappeared. It kind of used it insert function when I typed it in. It just deleted the stuff from outside. Wait, what? Oh, now I can control it from outside, right? Drag and drop the mesh. Okay. Oh, the mesh we have, right? In the 3D. This is the mesh. In inspector. But we did this in. We made this in character body 3D. It's here. It's here. It's in character body 3D. It's right there. We can add the array. What? What happened? Do we need to add this in the mesh? Meshes is the script. Every single mesh script, do I need to add this? Or do I thought I was in the main? No, we were working on the character script. Because the raycast is on the character script, right? It's on the character. Gonna go pray and come later. All right. I'll figure things out and make a shit out of it. Okay, so this variable works. Oh wait, why did this become fade instead of fade ray? Friend 0. Most important, don't trust ChatGPT or Copilot. I will always have this backup. I'll just test few things out. That's all, or I'll just move on to another part of the development. Just pause on the raycast for a bit. But I know this is working. My character is hiding if the fade ray is getting collided. But I want it to switch. But I know how to do it if I can just made this code onto the object, onto the object. We can just turn it around. But let's see how it works. I need a long-term reliable code. It's running the opposite right now, but it's fine. Okay, next thing. Let's ignore that for now. What do we need next? How long is the stream has been right now? 3 hours. You know what? Let's continue tomorrow. This is enough for today. Let's continue tomorrow. We have done some little bit of development process. Not much. Camera is working. Character movement is working. Character is looking at the mouse cursor. We have halfway done with the what do you call it? The disappearing and appearing act. All right. So thank you all for joining in, and see you all tomorrow. And thank you everyone on Twitch, Ninfan, Kaze, Deathwish, Musi, and Musi is also on YouTube as well. All right. Bye-bye. See ya. Bye. Catch you later. Hold up. Wait a minute.